Hello, my name is Vicky. Today we'll see how to request feedbacks from the customers. So what customer feedback request is, once a product is received by the customer, we ask them for product reviews on your product or your listing. So this ways, depending on your ratings, your sales will increase automatically. So this has to be provided by the customer who has purchased from you. So I will show you in the Amazon backend how to request this manually from the Amazon Seller Central. So in my Amazon Seller Central page, you go to the orders and manage orders option. So in this page, you can see all the orders that has been placed in the last 7 days. So here you have the option to customize the date range. So I will select, let's say for the past 3 days, I'll select the previous day. So I want to see the orders that has come on 23rd. Okay, so there has been no orders on 23rd. I'll go to manufacturer. So there are two types of orders: seller fulfilled and FBA fulfilled. It's fulfilled by myself. So this is the order that has come 4 days ago. So you can see the order summary here, and I'll click on the customer's name. When you click on the customer's name, you see the option here, send a message to Rahul. Now you press the other and you select the subject here, which is feedback request. That is the action I'm performing. And next you put in the message, which is the review product review message the customer will be receiving. So you don't have to include the name, because by default Amazon will be doing that for you. So you can remove the name and thanks messages, because as you can see here below, to Rahul is automatically updated by Amazon. So Amazon will do all the greetings and hi hellos. We just have to include the message. So once that is done, you can see a preview of the message, and we click on send. This is how you request for a review from the customer. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon.